Good morning, children. Today we will start the lesson number 13, Surface Area and Volume. 13.1 continue, part 2. In your last session, you had learned the formulas and 13.1 4 question we have solved. Today we will start from the 5th question. Clear, children? A hemispherical depression is cut out from one face of a cubical wooden block such that the diameter L of hemisphere is equal to the age of the cube. Determine the surface area of a remaining solid. Now, diameter of hemisphere equal to the side of a cube, that is L. So 2r equal L, diameter r equal L upon 2. Clear, children? Now, this one is a figure. It shows that hemispherical depression is cut out from one face of a cubical wooden block. Okay? So now we have to find out the surface area of remaining solid. Okay, what is given? Determine the surface area of a remaining solid. So we will write surface area of a remaining solid. Okay, so now total area of a cube. Total area of a cube minus area of a top of cube. Okay, top of cube plus inner curved surface area of a hemisphere. Okay, so 6 side square minus area of top of cube pi r square plus inner curved surface area of a hemisphere 2 pi r square. 6l square 2 pi r minus 1 तो क्या बचेगा प्लस पाई आर स्क्वायर 6l स्क्वायर प्लस पाई l अपॉन 2 तो 6l स्क्वायर प्लस पाई l स्क्वायर अपॉन 4 so now l square okay pi plus 6 4s are 24 okay so now 24 square units compulsory you have to write अगर सेंटीमीटर नहीं है मीटर नहीं है तो we can write square units. Thank you. Now children, we will start question number 6. A medicine capsule is in the shape of cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each of its ends. The length of entire capsule is 14 mm and the diameter of capsule is 5 mm. Find its surface area. This one is a figure of your capsule. Okay, so here it is a given. The length of entire capsule is 14 mm and the diameter of capsule is 5 mm. Okay, so 5 mm is now diameter of capsule. Okay, so we can write the diameter of capsule, diameter of hemisphere equal to diameter of cylindrical, that is 5 mm. So 2r equal 5 mm. So r equals to 5 upon 2. तो 5 upon 2 इस तरफ होगा 5 upon 2. अब ये 5 upon 2 इसमें से माइनस हो जाएगा किस में से 14 में से. So we will write the length of entire capsule is 14 mm and the height of the cylindrical part, that is 14 minus 5 upon 2 minus 5 upon 2. So h equal 9 mm. कैसे होगा देखो 28 minus 10 तो क्या होगा 18 upon 2 तो क्या आ जाएगा 9 mm. Clear, children? Now continue. This question is a continue. Okay, now we can write the part 2. Clear, children? The part 2. Okay, part 2. Continue. 6th question. Surface area of a capsule, surface area of a cylinder plus 2 surface area of a hemisphere. Clear? So now 2 pi rh plus 2 pi r square. Okay, so 2 2s are 4 pi r square. Okay, now 2 is a common हम कर सकते हैं 2 pi r तो क्या बचा h plus 2 r pi निकल गया दोनों निकल जाएंगे. Okay, so now एक बार ही लिखेंगे तो now 2 into 22 upon 7 r 5 upon 2 h 9 plus 2 into 5 upon 2 यहाँ पे 2 2 कट हो जाएगा तो 2 into यहाँ पे 2 2 कट हो जाएगा 22 upon 7 into 5 upon 2 9 plus 5 14 so here 2 यहाँ पे कट हो जाएगा. So 22/7 into 5 into 14, 7 1s are 7, 14 2s are 2. So 44 into 5, that is 220 mm square. Hence, surface area of a capsule is 220 mm square. Thank you, children. Today we will start the question number 7. A tent is in the shape of cylindrical surmounted by a conical top. If the height, the height is 2.1 and the diameter of the cylindrical part is 4. The slant height of the top, that is 2.8. Slant height, that is a given 2.8. Find the area of a canvas used for making the tent. Also find the cost of canvas of the tent at the rate of 500 per meter square. And here it is given, note that the base of tent will not be covered with canvas. Diameter of cone equal diameter of cylinder. That is given. 2r equal 4. So r equal 4 upon 2. So r equals to 2. L is 2.8. Height is 2.1. And the radius is 2. Radius is 2. We will write again. Radius of a cone equal radius of a cylinder. Height of cone h 2.1. Slant height, that is 2.8. So curved surface area of the tent equal curved surface area of a cylinder plus curved surface area of a conical part. So we can write 2 pi RH plus pi RL. So अब इसमें pi r कॉमन है तो हम निकाल देंगे. बाकी क्या बचा? 2h plus L. So pi is 22/7. R equal to 2 into h. H क्या है? 2.1. And the L क्या है? 2.8. So now remaining continue. And here it is given 22/7 2 और ये क्या बचा? 7. 7 cut. So 22 into 2 44. So curved surface area for tent is 44 m square. The cost of the 1 meter canvas square equals to given meter square rupees 500. So cost of 44 m square. Canvas कितना होगा? Multiply by 500. So 22,000. Hence the total cost of canvas is rupees 22,000. Thank you. Now children, we will start the 8th question. From a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 centimeter and the diameter is given 1.4 centimeter, a conical cavity of the same height and the same diameter is hollowed out. Find the total surface area of the remaining solid to the nearest centimeter cube. So diameter of the cylinder equal diameter of a cone equal same. So now we can write, and here it is given 1.4. So 1.4 divided by 2. So that is 0.7. And the height of cylinder is 2.4 centimeter. Now L is missing. So now for L, we will write L square equal R square plus H square. When we will write L equal, now we will write the square root of R square plus H square. Now R is 0.7 centimeter square and H is 2.4 centimeter square. So now 49, so 0.49 and here 576, so 5.76. यहाँ पे एक के बाद decimal है तो square में दो के बाद आएगा. Clear? So when we will add, we will get the 6.25 square root. So L equal 2.5 centimeter. Now total surface area of a solid. So we will write curved surface area of a cylinder plus area of a base and surface area of a cone. Clear? So now we will write 2 pi RH plus surface area pi r square and the surface area of a cone, that is pi r RL or LR, that is your wish. अब हमने pi r कॉमन निकाल दिया. क्लियर? pi r कॉमन निकाल दिया. तो अब क्या बचा? pi r निकाला तो क्या आया? 2h प्लस r एक. और pi r निकल गया तो क्या बचा? L. So now we will write 22 upon 7, R 0.7. Now 2 into H 2.4 plus R 0.7 and L that is हमें जो मिला है 2.5. तो 22 अपॉन 7, 7 अपॉन 10 क्यों? क्योंकि डेसिमल है. इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 4.8, इसको ऐड करेंगे तो आएगा 3.2, टोटल करेंगे तो 8. ओके, सो नाउ 22 इंटू 8 दैट इज 176 अपॉन 10. 10 को हम डिस्टर्ब नहीं करेंगे. क्यों? क्योंकि 10 हमको डेसिमल पॉइंट डालने में इजी रहेगा. सो नाउ वी विल राइट द 17.6. सो हेंस द total surface area of a remaining solid to nearest centimeter square that is 18. अब देखो 17.6 है तो ये क्या आएगा 18 centimeter square. Thank you children. Now children, we will start the 9th question which is a very important. Wooden article was made by scooping and scooping out a hemisphere from each end of a solid cylinder as shown in the figure. This one is your figure. If the height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter and the base of the radius is 3.5, find the total surface area of a article. Okay, height of a cylinder as equal 10. The radius of the base, the cylinder and the hemisphere, it is given 3.5 centimeter. Okay, so now chord surface of the article, chord surface area of a cylinder plus 2 chord surface area of a hemisphere. Okay, so now 2 and 2 pi r square. So 2 pi, now 2 pi r is a common. तो क्या बचा h, 2 कट हो गया, बाकी क्या बचा r, pi भी निकल गया, r भी निकल गया, बाकी क्या बचेगा 2r. Okay, so we will write 2r. 2 into 22 upon 7, r 3.5, height 10 plus 2 3.5, so 44 upon 7, 33.5 upon 10, 10 and here multiply करेंगे तो 7.0, right hand side 0 has no value, so 44 into 5 upon 10, q 1 7 is 7, 5, तो 5 upon 2 into 17, so 44 into 1 upon 2 into 17. ओके, सो यहाँ पे कैलकुलेशन हो जाएगी. सो 22 इंटू 17 दैट इज 374 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. हैंस टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ अ आर्टिकल इज 374 centimeter square. Thank you. Children, now we will start 13.2 question number 1. A solid is in the shape of cone standing on a hemisphere with both their being equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, and the height of cone is equal to its radius. जो height है वो radius के बराबर है. Find the volume of a solid. तो हम क्या find out करेंगे? Volume of a cone. Okay, volume of a cone and volume of a hemisphere. वो क्या कहता है? Find the volume of the solid in terms of pi. Okay, so radius of a cone equal radius of a hemisphere equal 1 और radius के बराबर क्या है? height भी है. r equal 1 centimeter and height of cone height equal 1 centimeter. अभी हमें क्या find out करना है? volume of a solid equal volume of a cone plus volume of a hemisphere. Okay, so we will write the formula 1 upon 3 pi r square h plus 2 upon 3 pi r cube. So 1 upon 3 pi r square. Okay, अब 1 upon 3 pi r square इसमें भी है, 1 upon 3 pi r square इसमें भी है. Okay, तो हम क्या करेंगे? इसमें क्या बचेगा? h और इसमें ये 2 बचेगा क्योंकि हमने 1 upon 3 कॉमन लिया है. तो बाकी क्या बचेगा? पाई तो चला गया, r स्क्वायर भी चला गया, बाकी क्या बचा? r. ओके, क्योंकि दोनों सेम है तो हम वी कैन राइट. सो 1 upon 3 pi. ओके, r1 h1 2 into 1 1 plus 2 3. ओके, so 1 upon 3 pi into 3, so that is 3 pi upon 3. Okay, 3 cut, so pi centimeter cube. So hence volume of a solid is pi centimeter cube. Thank you. Now we will start question 2. One of the engineering student was asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder with the two cones attached at its two ends by using a aluminium sheet. Okay, so here it is a given the radius of cylinder. Radius of a cylinder, what is the given? 3 upon 2. Okay, 3 upon 2 centimeter, that is radius is 1.5 centimeter. Okay, so now we can write R equal 1.5 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter. Okay, so height of each cone is 2 centimeter. Height of each cone, this side 2, this side 2. Okay, and the height of cylinder, now height, total height is 12. 12 minus 2 and this 2. So 12 minus 4, क्या हो जाएगा? 8. Clear, children? So here volume of cylinder. Okay, so volume of this one, here it is a given volume of a cylinder plus twice volume of a cone. So pi r square h plus 2 1 upon 3 pi r square cube. So here pi r square common, h plus 2 upon 3 pi r हमने common निकाला, बाकी क्या बचा? h. So 22 upon 7, R कितना है? 1.5, 1.5. Clear children? Height 8 plus 2 upon 3 into 2. So here 22 upon 7. अब ये point निकल जाएगी तो क्या आ जाएगा? 15 upon 10. तो क्या आ जाएगा? 3 upon 2. 8 plus 2 2 is 4 upon 3. अब LCM निकालोगे सीधा तो 24 plus 4 upon 3. Clear? So 22 upon 7 into 3 upon 2, 3 upon 2 into 28 upon 3. जब हम 22 निकालेंगे 7 1 से 7, यहाँ पे 4 होएगा, 4 4 यहाँ कट हो जाएगा, 3 3 कट हो जाएगा, बाकी 1 3 बचेगा. So 22 into 3, 66 centimeter cube. Hence, volume of a air in cylinder is 66 centimeter cube. Thank you, children.